Welcome back to eiwayshop, your ultimate destination for beauty and hair care tips. Today we're diving into the world of DIY hair hacks. If you're looking to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. We have compiled 10 amazing hair hacks that are easy to follow and deliver stunning results. Let's get started on the journey to luscious locks. 1. Coconut oil overnight treatment. Coconut oil is a well-known natural remedy for dry and damaged hair. To deeply nourish your strands, apply coconut oil to your hair before bed, focusing on the ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap or towel and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your hair as usual. This treatment will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and deeply conditioned. 2. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is excellent for balancing your scalp's pH and removing product buildup. Mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water and use it as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning. Not only will it help cleanse your scalp, but it will also leave your hair looking shiny and smooth. Don't worry about the smell. It dissipates as your hair dries. 3. DIY avocado hair mask. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins that can do wonders for your hair. Mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey. Apply this mask to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This mask will deeply moisturize your hair and add a natural shine. 4. Rice water rinse. Rice water has been used for centuries in Asian cultures as a hair treatment. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that strengthen and smooth the hair. To make rice water, rinse a cup of rice, then soak it in 2 cups of water for 30 minutes. Strain the water and use it as a rinse after shampooing. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Regular use can improve hair elasticity and shine. 5. Aloe vera scalp soother. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it directly to your scalp. Massage gently to stimulate blood circulation and leave it on for 20-30 minutes before washing your hair. Aloe vera will help reduce scalp irritation and promote healthy hair growth. 6. DIY dry shampoo. If you want to extend the time between washes, try making your own dry shampoo. For light hair, mix cornstarch with a few drops of essential oil. For dark hair, mix cocoa powder with cornstarch. Apply the mixture to your roots using a makeup brush. Let it sit for a few minutes, then brush it out. This hack will absorb excess oil and leave your hair looking fresh. 7. Honey and olive oil hair treatment. Honey and olive oil are both great for hydrating and nourishing the hair. Mix equal parts honey and olive oil, then warm the mixture slightly. Apply it to your hair, focusing on dry and damaged areas. Leave it on for 30-45 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This treatment will help restore moisture and add a beautiful shine to your hair. Eiway heatless curls with headband. Achieve beautiful curls without damaging your hair with heat. Place a stretchy headband over your head and wrap sections of your damp hair around the headband. Leave it on overnight or until your hair dries completely. When you remove the headband, you'll have gorgeous, heatless curls. This hack is perfect for achieving a natural wavy look. 9. Green tea hair rinse. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Brew a strong cup of green tea and let it cool. Use it as a final rinse after shampooing to nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair. The antioxidants in green tea will help improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. 10. Egg and yogurt hair mask. Eggs are full of protein and yogurt is rich in lactic acid, both of which are beneficial for hair health. Mix 1 egg with half a cup of plain yogurt and apply the mixture to your hair. Cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with cool water. This mask will help strengthen your hair, reduce breakage, and add a natural shine. Congratulations! You've now discovered 10 incredible DIY hair hacks that can transform your hair care routine and give you gorgeous, healthy locks. These simple yet effective treatments use natural ingredients that are easy to find and budget-friendly. By incorporating these hacks into your regular routine, you can achieve the beautiful, luscious hair you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to eiwayshop for more beauty and hair care tips.